we grab one of the most talented photographers in the Pacific Islander community. Some may say that he is the eye, the eyeball, the maka, the mata of the Pacific Islander community, Mr. Ralph Misa.
Hi, I'm KK Vasquez. I'm with Look Artists in the City.
We are here with Paul Tell, East Palo Alto, right? New game, East Oakland. How we doing, brother?
Man, we chilling, man. We good.
So we're here with the group, wonderful group from Antioch, California, Luau, Ohana. How are you ladies doing?
Wonderful.
Why is it important to support Poly Atamai?
It's really important because when I was young, we had an event like this and it changed my life. So that's why I'm here to support my people.
They want a better future for all our children, for all the kids. So we out here to, show support and whatever we could do.
So it was cool for us Poly people to get together, to show the young ones it's all love.
We strongly believe it's all about the children, and it's very important for children to know their culture.
How are you doing? What are some of the things that you're doing as a photographer to kind of help the movement?
Primarily is just utilizing some of the work that I've done and pushing education and initiatives like Poly Atamai, and one of the major things that I'm doing with my work is just kind of giving back. I run a business as well, but coming and giving my services to help embrace an initiative to help kids and education for culture.
So